Hi there everyone. So I'm making this right now and I want to share with you guys. So I have 8 pieces of chicken breast and let me show you how it looks so you get an idea. Okay. And then I sprinkled kosher salt. Sorry, black pepper. Trying to do this with one hand. And simply organic ginger and turmeric. So basically over here, I sprinkled the amount that I want, whatever I feel comfortable, how I would like it. No specific measurements for this recipe. And then I just got everything on top of the chicken breast. I mixed it up, got all the spices in. Then I took 2 sprigs of rosemary. I'll show you which one I'm using. I'm using this one from Trader Joe's. So I only took 2. It depends how many chicken breasts you have. I have 8, so it works out well. I did not put 2 on each of them. Okay. Now here I have 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 1 large carrot, and 1 yellow squash. Okay, so it's ready. I mixed it in. Okay, you're gonna do this. So everything is shredded. So you're gonna mix it up. Okay. So the reason I'm putting the rosemary, over here on top of the chicken breast is to give it a flavor on the bottom. If I put on top of the vegetables, it's not gonna give the chicken the flavor. So I want the chicken to have this flavor. So now that we have everything mixed in, we're gonna put it in. We're gonna put on top of the chicken like this. Okay. So let's put it out. Just came up with this recipe in the morning. Did not even prepare for it, but I figured, you know what, let me share this with you guys. You might enjoy it. Okay, so just putting it on top. I'm just gonna put it over, and then I'm gonna kind of make sure every chicken has enough of the mix that I made. Okay. So everything's gonna go on from the top to the bottom of the chicken. It's gonna give the juices, the flavors will mix nicely. Okay. So let's see. And we can even see the green part, which is cool. Okay. Let me just get that. So I'm gonna bake it at 400 for about, so between 25 minutes and 40 minutes. You have to see how your oven works. You don't want it to get too dry, but you want to make sure it's ready. So between 25 and 40 minutes, depending on your oven. And I want to give you a specific time because you have to check it. I don't want you to eat like a raw chicken. So this one has too much a little bit. Let me just move it over. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. And uncovered. So 400 between 25 and 40 minutes depending on your stove. And that's it. That's about it. That's all it needs, nothing else. So pretty healthy, quick, and yummy. Thank you guys for staying. I'll see you later.